Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Surajit and today I am going to show you how to enable SSH on Ubuntu server. So for this I need to start the virtual machine Ubuntu server. So it will open and boot from the operating system. So at first we need to log in. Now at first we need to update our operating system. So for that enter this command sudo apt update, give the password. Now we need to install sudo apt install open SSH server and hit enter. So the following package was automatically installed and no longer required. So it already installed on our system. So we need to see the status of the SSH. So sudo system control status SSH and hit enter. And you can see the status of the SSH servers is active, that is running, and we can connect this server through PuTTY. Ubuntu comes with a firewall configuration tool called UFW. So for this we just need to open the SSH port. So for this sudo UFW allow SSH and hit enter. Rules updated. So now we need to install PuTTY on our host operating system. So for this we need to install sudo apt install PuTTY and hit enter. And for this press Y and then hit enter. Now PuTTY is installed on our host operating system. Now in our virtual machine, from the settings we need to use the advanced, then port forwarding. As you can see, the protocol is TCP, then the host IP is 127.0.0.1, then the host port is 4 times 2, then guest IP is 10.0.2.15, and you can get the host IP from here. So at first I need to log in, then the password I need to give here, and if I'm going to see IP, then A, and from here you can see inet 10.0.2.15, and you need to put this IP address to your VirtualBox network settings, and the host port and guest IP is this one. So press OK, and here press OK. Now I'm just going to my host where my operating system is, host operating system, and I need to type SSH, then the username of the guest operating system, then @ and the port forwarding, that is 127.0.0.1, and then P means port, and the port is 4 times 2, and hit enter. And it says the authenticity of host, this one, can't be established. ECDSA key fingerprint is this one. So are you sure you want to continue connecting? So yes, and hit enter. And the password I need to provide from here, and we have logged in here, Surajit@textsetblog. So ls I use the PuTTY from here also. So opening, so I'm just going to give 127 0.0.0.1, and the port is this one, and the SSH, and open it, and the server host is cached. You have guaranteed that the server is the computer you think it is. The server SSH key fingerprint is this one, so accept. So here you can see login as, so the username and the password I'm going to give here, and I'm logging as surajit@textedblog. And if I go make some command, that is sudo apt update and the password, ls, so we are in a this directory here, that is, if we need to see what is the directory, so we need to use sudo su, and you can see that home Surajit is our directory, and if I type cd, then this mount point, that is slash, and here I press ls, and you can see our system directory, bin, etc., library, home, boot, cd-rom, dev. This is showing to us. So we have successfully used the SSH. We enabled this SSH, and we use the port forwarding to connect host operating system to guest operating system. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe our channel so that you can get more technological tutorials. Thanks for watching. Good night.